Meanwhile, the Tata Group, talking about electric vehicles, the Tata Group is setting up one of Europe's largest battery cell plant. It's going to happen in the United Kingdom, and this plant is coming up in Somerset in the country. The group is planning to invest. Tata Group is looking at investing £4 billion in this factory. That means about 42,000 crore rupees. The plant is going to help in the manufacture of batteries for Jaguar Land Rover, along with other manufacturers, of course. But let's find out what's cooking on this front. Srishti, my colleague, is here to tell us more about this deal, about this kind of investment that the Tata Group is making in the manufacture of EV batteries for JLR. They've decided to go with United Kingdom, though I understand that Spain was also in contention. Srishti, tell us what you've heard.
Well, yes, Tata Group as well as Tata Motors is in focus, as Tata Group has announced their plans to set up a battery cell plant in UK that is going to be one of the Europe's largest battery cell plant. And not just that, a very big amount is what Tata Group is actually looking to invest. 42,500 crores, that converts to £5 billion, is what the group is looking to invest in this particular plant in Somerset, UK, is what the company announced today. And that's why Tata Group is definitely in focus, because the battery cells that will get manufactured in this particular plant, the batteries will be used for Tata Motors JLR division, as well as other manufacturers can also use the batteries getting manufactured in this particular plant. The Giga factory at 40 gigawatt hours will be Tata's first outside of India, and the plant being described as the most important investment in UK automotive. Since Nissan arrived in 1980s, there was no other facility that was actually catering to the battery needs of the UK. So this is one such step that is seen to be as a very big step in the UK's automotive industry. Other than that, in terms of the subsidies, Group is actually reported to ask £500 million of the state assistance from the UK government. Definitely a clarity is still awaited on that, but the big question is how it will help Tata Motors, because the batteries that will get manufactured from this particular plant will be used by Tata Motors JLR division, because they have already come up with their ambition plans when it comes to their EV offerings, because from 2025 onwards we will see their EV offerings coming online and the batteries will be utilized for that. But this particular plan will actually cater to the needs from 2026, where the production is expected to start. So batteries actually typically cost more than half of the cost of the electric vehicle. So synergies from procuring these batteries from the group's plant itself will definitely help Tata Motors JLR division as well. So that's why Tata Group as well as Tata Motors specifically are in focus.